Welcome exam students of the exam year. Like you can see there, this is a video about the exam of 2025 and it's the answer to question 1 of the exam that you can also find on the website of Mr. Flinkevleugel. The exam of 2025, as you can see on the side. We've seen in a former video that we're talking about the WIC in the 17th and the 18th century, and we're talking about their authority, if they had a lot of authority or not. We're talking about the WIC, in Dutch the West-Indische Compagnie. Did they have a lot of authority? Which islands did they have? The 6 islands, like we can see over there, from below Aruba, Curaçao, and Bonaire, and up we can say Sint Maarten, Saba, and Sint Eustatius. And you have to explain when an example, explica con un ejemplo, yeah, if the WIC in their territories had a lot of authority or not. The WIC was like a big company, like McDonald's or Apple nowadays, and they had an office in Amsterdam. What is the answer to this question? Well, from the answer you must be able to see that de WIC had in de praktijk weinig gezag. So in reality, in practice, the West India Company had little authority, not much authority, weinig gezag. Why? Because, and this is like the example that the question is referring to, Corne Hempel, so this is the example. In de eerste helft van de 18e eeuw, veel particulieren, like regular people, without permission, zonder toestemming, grond van het eiland in beslag namen om een eigen plantage te beginnen. So in the first half of the 18th century, around here on the timeline, a lot of people took possession of lands on the islands of Dutch Caribbean without permission to start their own plantation. And they did this without permission, yeah, like we would say in Papiamento, I think, sin permit. Yeah, so it actually would do this without permission, sin permit, yeah, zonder toestemming, grond van het eiland in beslag namen, om een eigen plantage te beginnen. Yeah, and this was again between 1600 and 1800, and mainly in the first half of the 18th century, so around here. So here begins the 18th century, and around here, this mainly happened. Land in beslag nemen zonder toestemming van de WIC. So this shows that they took plantations on the island of Curaçao. Sometimes they bribed even the governor to do this, and the WIC had little authority.